All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Camaro. It is the SS1 model or package, black with black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, rear alloy wheels, sunroof, rear spoiler, fog lights, super fucking nice. 2007 to 17 with 17,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Minimum damage. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty freaking sharp. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire tread here is... let's check down here. Tire tread here is 630 seconds. Let's double check it. It's 530 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It's got some curbing here, about 6-inch curbing there. Now let's check out your tire tread, which is 530 seconds. Double check it. That's right, 430 seconds there. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. Very nice. That's what your sunroof looks like. Super nice. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Check out your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips in that one either. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys, so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. You got your backup camera, pow, AC controls right down below. Turn on the lights here. Boom. All right. So we got instrument steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 17,667. Looking good. Open up the trunk. Open up the trunk here. Let's see a piece of tape here. Pretty much completes the tour for her in here. Looks good. Runs good. Well, it has all the goods, guys. Rear spoiler looks fantastic. It's what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Boom. I'm sorry, not a spare tire. There is a it's got like a run flat system or some crap. Does not come with a spare tire. There are owner's manuals there though. Other than that, twin tips looks fantabulous. Does have a little chippy here, so you can see it. Boom. All right. This quarter looks nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. Here's some here about 2 inches, and some more here about 3, about 6. So I'm gonna call it 8 inches just to engulf it all. Check out the tire tread here is 330 seconds. Any tires? Got a heavy scratch here with a dent. That's a dent with paint off, I guess. Became now 2 inches. 2 inches. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice sound curbing here. And your tire tread is 330 seconds here. We need new tires, guys. All right. All your lights are working. Things are happening, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Chevy Camaro SS model with 17,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.